So can you retire off about $200,000 just by selling options? And in this video, I'm going to show you that you can, because that's the plan that I'm potentially going to do. But obviously, I don't want to say that you should put all your eggs in one basket. But again, this is just something I wanted to show you guys because you can definitely do it. And this is just from premiums. So let's jump right into my desktop and let's go over a few things here, because I want to go over how much you actually need. And I'm going to use Nvidia, Tempest AI, and SPY, but let's just go over a compound interest calculator just to show how much money you should probably need, because like I usually aim for 1 to 4% a month. So let's just go with the higher rate of 4%. 200,000 bucks right here. This is the calculator-site.com. I use this for a lot of my back testing stuff. So we're going to put 200,000, 4% monthly that we're going to do here, and then compounding monthly for a 12-year, 1 year. No deposits. You're just going to use $200,000 just to show you that it could work. Then you're going to calculate. So you're going to get, you should be aiming to get around $8,000 a month. And that's the thing. So can you live off of $8,000 a month? And obviously, if you let this at least compound for 1 year, by the next year, you should be getting around $12,000 a month, which would be more doable. So $12,000 a month is $120K a year. Obviously, you got to put some away from taxes and all that fun stuff, but at least you'll have a significant income. And that's why I love selling options, because it is a definite way to make a lot of money. And it's a definite way to bring income. And like, look right here, initial balance 200K. In a year, you're gonna total interest earned, if you could do this strategically and right, you're gonna have 120K of interest, and then your future investment in 1 year will go up to 320K. So it'll only need about a 1 year and 6 months, 1.5 years to double your initial balance. But of course, this is like depending on like you just seeing the market slowly going up and or sticking to where it is and trading sideways with a little bit of volatility, because that's where premium comes from. So you need that volatility to get the premium, and that's always the hardest part. So let's go into Nvidia, and what are we going to do here? So the whole thing I love to teach is the wheel strategy. So you're selling cash secured puts and covered calls. So for those that don't know about it, you're just using your 100 shares as collateral, or your 100 shares worth of cash as collateral. And obviously you're going to need way more than one contract to do this, because you're going to have 200K of capital to work with. And that, I believe that is a solid starting point. And usually if you're around that area, you could do this for a significant amount of time. And what I personally do with the premiums is that I put it into something that will make me money over time. I don't consistently put it in back right into the same stock. I'll probably put it into SPY, SCHD, something that will constantly go up, maybe get some dividends, and help keep the money growing as you can. Or if you have something like Public or Robinhood Gold, where you could get like interest on the money that you have sitting in there, that's a good way to do it as well. But here we are. You're going to go to Nvidia. You're going to sell put. I always say Nvidia or Nvidia. I don't know. I think I've always said Nvidia, and people have been correcting me, but whatever. I'm going to say it how I say it. You're going to sell put. You're going to go about 30 days out. So like a month, right? To keep this as passive as possible, right? So you're going to go for a 30 to 35 delta. If you want to be aggressive with 40, you could do that too, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend it, because we're trying to do this as safe as possible. I'll show you a more risky one at the end. So what I'm going to look at is delta, because that's the percentage chance that the actual stock price will hit your strike price. Again, 30 to 35. We're going on the upper end of that. This is 34%. So we're going to see what that gets. So here we are, 385. You're going to get $385 per contract. So with 200K, how many contracts can we get? Let's put 20 here. That's a little bit too much. 19 contracts, a little bit too much. 18 contracts is $196,000. If you want to see right here, that's how much it will cost us. And you're going to get $6,000 $929 per month. Is that enough? We kind of need to go to the $8,000 mark to get the numbers that we want. So for this specific option, we're not going to do this one. We're going to have to go to this a little bit above 35%. So this is going to be 37%. Let's continue with this 425. Let's go back to 19. That's not going to work because my brain doesn't work. So we're going to go to 18 contracts right here. 18 contracts will equal out to $197,550 up for collateral, which is what right under what we were going for. But INSO we'll be getting right under $8,000, which is solid because by the end of the year, we're going to be a little bit below this 12,000 right here. So let's just see if this was 3%. Calculate. It's going to be like 3.5, 3.5 to be closer. 7,000 right here, and it'll take us 1 year and 9 months to double it, and we'll still have a future investment value of a potential $302,000, and you'll make around 102K in total interest, which is what we're looking for, a 6-figure income just from selling options, which is amazing just from listening to that. So again, solid, right there. This is saying 7,000, but we're actually making a little bit more than that, 7.6. So let's again make it a little bit closer, 3.75 maybe. Okay, that's solid. 1 year and 7 months to double, 311 K future investment. Total interest is 111 off of a 200K balance. And you guys also have to remember when you're doing the wheel strategy, you're going to be doing these cash secured puts until you get assigned. And then when you get assigned, you got to be on the covered call side and make the appreciation, as well as for Nvidia, you also get a little bit of dividends, not a lot of money, like a cent per share, but you'll get something there. So you're going to get the appreciation if you ever end up having to sell at the strike price that you chose. And you're also going to be collecting the premium. So you could potentially actually be making way more than the credit that you'll be getting, which is amazing. So let's go into a kind of like a play that I like. It's a healthcare AI play because, again, I'm a nurse, and this is like a stock that I've been looking at heavily. It's a Tempest AI. And just so for the people that don't know what it is, let's just go over it really quick here as well. Tempest AI is a healthcare technology company which engages in bringing AI and machine learning to healthcare. It focuses on building platforms for oncology, neuropsychiatry, cardiology, infectious disease, and radiology. This is really big on clinical trials. They use AI to do clinical trials, and the CEO is awesome. I highly recommend that you look into him as well. I think his wife had cancer, and he is on this mission to like use AI to help cure cancer. So here we are selling puts. We're going to go 33 days out. We're going to look for that 30 to 35 delta. I think it's going to be like the 47 is 31. Ooh, might be higher. 34. So it's either going to be 49. Let's keep it consistent, right? Let's keep it consistent. Oh, they're both the same bid price. So let's go with the 37 to keep it consistent with what we just did with Nvidia. So right here, how many contracts we're going to get is going to be dependent on the price of the stock. So this is a lot cheaper stock than Nvidia. So let's see how many. 40 contracts is only equal out to 181,000. So we might need 45. Well, that's a little bit above 44. 44 contracts is going to equal out to $16,000. And you might be asking me like, Brian, why wouldn't you just do it all with Tempest AI over Nvidia? Well, we all know Nvidia is a established company with great fundamentals, great earnings, and it's not going anywhere. If you're on a computer right now, you're probably using Nvidia. If you're at work and you're using a computer there, you're probably Nvidia. Everything that you're doing, like computer-wise, desktop-wise, is using like Nvidia chips. So that's going nowhere. Tempest AI, they're probably using Nvidia to do their thing. It's a speculative play. I personally like it. Again, not financial advice, but that's why the volatility, the speculation, the implied volatility is 87% here. In using those, right, you're going to get a higher premium because it's more risky. That's how you're going to have to look at it. So that's how you're going to have to look at it. So yeah, you could be making $16,000 in a month, but again, risky, but let's continue on. You're going to get $16,000 here, and let's plug that into the calculator. So 200K, you're probably closer to like a 7%, I think. Yep, 7.5%. 8%, 7.75%. There you go, 15,000. That's still high. Maybe it's at 8%. Jeez, that's almost like 8% monthly. Yep, 16,000 is 8% monthly, and this is what it could potentially look like. Again, I wouldn't put all my money in one basket. 200K initial balance, total interest earned is going to be 300K. If you could do this consistently for a full year, 500K future value, $500,000, and you'll double your investment in about 10 months. Again, before we get all excited, this is only if the stock continues to do well, the market continues to do what it does, and go up slowly, and there's a consistent, like, enough volatility to do this. But again, Tempest AI making 16K a year, 16K a month, excuse me. And then if you're compounding this, by month 12, you could potentially make 37,000 in the month, and that will equal up to the accrued interest of 303K. But again, that means you'd have to be investing this 16K that you're getting in a month back into like Tempest AI and keep doing this for a year. So you're constantly getting more contracts, constantly adding more to the specific investment to get 8%. So again, 16K a year, 60K a month. I keep getting confused because that's such a big month. That's such a big amount of money. Like, can you do it? Potentially. And it's something to look into. And then lastly, what I want to go into is the more safe version, SPY. You're going to follow the S&P 500 and just do this with the same amount of money. So we're going to go to 35 delta. Let's see, 40 delta. 40 delta is kind of high. And we're going to do these riskier. Let's do it with dailies, right? If you're, because it's a safer one, you're going to do it daily. And again, you should only be doing this with stocks that you want in your portfolio. Don't be premium chasing. That's where Tempest AI kind of falls in between. Let's go with this like 34 delta, $132 per day. So we're going to continue here. It's $56,000 per. So you're going to only have enough for like 3 contracts, but that's only $168,000. So if you had that extra 20K to put, you'll get $527 a day, but you would need $224,000. And then let's bring out the handy dandy calculator. So let's clear this out. 527, and remember that's per day. So you're going to times that by 5 because there's 5 days of the week. If you're able to do this every day, you're going to get $2,635 a week. So you're going to times that by 4. That's a month, and you're making $10,540 a month. And then if you do that times 12, you're going to make $126,000. And it'll probably take you like 2 years, a little bit less than 2 years to double your investment here. And this is just following the SPY, and this is just a cash secured put side. So of course, if you get assigned, you just go on the covered call side, make your money off the premiums from there, and then you continue to rock out and try to capture a little bit of appreciation, $1 above, $2, $3, $4 above, just to capture like a few $100s premium per contract, per shares. And that's how you could potentially retire off of 200K per 200K investment, and just doing the wheel strategy. And I know there's going to be a lot of people in the comments saying like, oh, you can't just hypothetically do it. Of course, the market has to do what it does and continually go up, but this is a potential that what could happen. That's why I am showing you a fundamentally sound Nvidia, the SPY, the S&P 500, and I did show you a riskier play where you can make significantly more money. But this is what some people do, and they put all their eggs in one basket, and some people are able to get that crazy amount of premium, that income, and then they start diversifying out and start making more money on the other ends as well with more safer stocks, index funds. Because imagine you did this for a year and you were successful and you made like what, 300K of interest using Tempest AI over a year if you're able to do it. Now you have 300K, that's probably in an index fund, which would be safer, and you just let that do its thing and continue to grow. And then you're just using that same 200K to try to do the same, to mimic it over and over again with either Nvidia, Tempest AI, SPY, Amazon, Google, Robinhood. You could do it with whatever stock you want from then on out, go a little bit safer, and just make as much money as possible. And who knows, if you're able to replicate it again over and over again, you'll be a millionaire in like 2 to 3 years just off of selling options. So this is a quick little video. You don't have to like, comment, or subscribe. I'm sure you're going to come back and watch a few more videos of mine. I go over what I do with options. I do go over what I do with the real estate, and I go over some just like regular financial tips. So let me know what you guys think about this strategy, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.